Hello everybody, welcome back to another Ugly Dog Lure paint. Let's do something completely off the wall, crazy and different. That's the kind of mood I'm in today, so let's just make it happen. We're going to be painting a 2.5 square bill today, and Melissa, her little color wheel thing, she chose eggplant, lime green.
You make that sound like it's a bad color combination. I think it's going to be
a wonderful color combination. So what we're going to do is we're just going to jump in here, and we may even come back over the top with sepia. You know, the old ugly dog can put his foot down every once in a while, even though usually when I do it steps in a big pile of it. But let's just jump in here and then paint this bait. We're going to start this paint with our lime green. And today we're going to be using Anita's paint and an apple barrel paint. So let's just jump in here and make it happen. My allergies is killing me.
Your allergies are always killing me.
Oh my goodness, it's worse today than it's been in a while. So let's just get our lime green mixed up here. Come here, Bob. If you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you. Introduce myself. My name is Charlie. They call me Goose, or Ugly Dog, or Mr. Ugly Dog. And my wife sitting over here, she's the brains behind the operation.
Okay, Mr. Ugly Dog.
You got that right.
I thought Ugly Dog was Herbie's name.
Apparently not, because I've been called Mr. Ugly Dog now for a while.
No,
I don't really care what you call me, as long as you don't call me late for a fishing trip. So
that's a true story.
That is a true story. My grandmother calls me one thing, my wife calls me, well, I ain't gonna tell you what she calls me, because I probably get kicked off YouTube, but that's alright. She's a beautiful wife and I love her, so.
I'm glad, because that could have just got you in a big pile of trouble.
Y'all see that, folks? I saved myself. I know better. I'm scared of her. So this is going to be a completely different looking bait. But you know what? I don't really care. We're going to do this in our clear belly series. And I'll guarantee you I'll fish it. Right down there, just right along that lateral line. And we're going to put multiple coats of this lime green on this bait. And then we're going to wrap this bait. And then we're going to go with our eggplant over the back. Is what we're going to do. It's going to be a pretty cool looking bait. And I think I'm going to do some sepia, but I'm just going to do the sepia around the eyes to darken it up, maybe a little on the nose. Is what I got in mind. So, you know, and a redneck mind is a terrible thing to waste.
How true is this?
Cool. Let's put another coat on it. I really like this green color right here on baits, this lime green. It's a kind of a go-to color, but I've got some crazy stuff out there in this world that's just off the wall paints. My wife will tell you that. She come out here sometimes in the shop and looks at what I've been painting and say, hey, you done lost your redneck mind. And about 4 hours later, somebody comes by and buys the lure. So that's how that works.
I don't know about that.
Maybe 12 hours because I have to let it dry, but they sell pretty damn fast.
Yeah, you even knew what I was going to say.
No, I know, because you're mean. She's really not, folks. We just portray her that way. Unless you ask Everybody knows and watches my channel knows I'm old and I have to readjust myself quite often. I have a very bad leg and I have to make myself comfortable. So there's our lime green. And I just let it flow just a little bit past that lateral line. No big deal at all. Well, let's clean our brush and we'll move on and heat set what we've done, and we'll move on and get that good and dried up and do a wrap on this bait. I'm thinking that I'm probably going to need put some orange on that belly of that bait too. I think that orange or red or yellow belly just gets you more hits on these lures. I may just be too much old school in me, but that's what I think.
That's what you get for thinking.
I know. Don't be thinking, fat boy. You know. So it's also, if you're new to our channel, we do a live feed every Thursday night at 6 Mountain Standard Time. And if you would like to be a guest on the live feed and promote your channel, we would be glad for you to do it. Just send Melissa an email at UglyDogLures@gmail.com.
You almost forgot.
Yep, I almost said dot something. But she will be glad to set that up and schedule it, or you can come on to our live feed and be a guest and promote your channel, and we will promote your channel for you. We usually have several channels going across the ticker that we're promoting, and we love to do that for you. Not a problem at all. And we really don't care what kind of channel you have. Everybody says, well, you got to stick with your fishing community. I don't. I love all the channels. I love the hunting, the homesteading, the fishing. I just love them all. You learn stuff from them. I mean, that's why you watch them, is to learn. So I watch them all. So let's go ahead and put a good heat set on this lure. So just to be a little different, because I use orange a lot, I'm going to use a bright yellow. Let me get up here in my tackle box up here and get it. This is just a few of my paints. I have over probably what, 400 different colors in here, Melissa?
Oh, there's more than that. There's got to be more than that. They're everywhere.
Yeah, I love paint. All kinds of paint. I just love colors. This Deep Persimmon is a new paint. It comes from Anita's. This is an awesome paint for bellies on fish, on lures. But we're going to use a bright yellow on ours. Okay, let me see how dry that dude is. It's pretty dry. Chooka, 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 chooka. There they are. Don't you be hiding my stuff there, girlfriend.
Well, you better keep it out of my view.
Yeah, I know. So we're going to do a wrap on this bait. And what we're creating here is just something different. That will catch fish. I'm so happy I'm going fishing next weekend. My wife's going to Oklahoma and then to Dallas for graduation. And I have to work. So next Saturday morning, I'm going to go spend the whole day with my little brother. And we're going to go fishing. She threatened me with my life if I didn't take the camera, but I'm probably not going to. If I catch some stuff, I'll just put it up on the phone and take pictures of it there. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going for have a nice day with my brother. I'm excited about it too. He works out of town, and I don't get to spend as much time with him as I want to.
You know, I don't know that that's allowed, because once you put on that creator hat, you create all the time, everywhere. Everywhere you go, everything you do is part of that. So
yes, But also let me ask you this.
Do you get a day off? No.
How many hours do I spend in this shop per week? Creating and doing videos, and you know, every old man needs a vacation day every once in a while.
You need a vacation from your hobby?
Yeah, I need to go use my hobby so that way I know how to fix lures that don't work. Yeah, I'm smarter than your average redneck.
Let's not push that.
Okay. So our next color we're going to jump off into after our little argument there. And y'all will
That was
find
an argument?
that me and her do this a lot. And it's not out of meanness, it's out of love.
Right.
For me, it's out of meanness for her. But we're going to we wrap that with what they call tulle. And it's an accessory, spider web tulle, and it's accessory for a wedding dress is what it is. So you can go back in my earlier videos and it talks all about it, where we get it and everything. Eggplant. Gonna be a whole lot different color, folks. Now let's just flip our little stick over and mix our eggplant. That's pretty color. And you know, to glitter or not to glitter is a question around here every time we paint a bait. I got guys that says, no, I don't want no glitter on it, and then I have a lot more that says, I'm not buying it without some glitter in it. They think that it gives it that extra pop in that water. And I agree with them. Very nice color. Look at that.
Oh, I love that color.
Yeah, that eggplant's pretty, ain't it? Little bit more green on that. Now, folks, I use our water brushes. I have several of them running around in here. Even Melissa has her own brush and her own compressor. It's about time for her to start painting baits. She needs to paint some for her new tackle box that she got for, why did I get you that? Just because I wanted to?
I think it was part of my Mother's Day, but it was
Yeah, so something.
just because you wanted to.
Just because I wanted to.
Because I'm spoiled.
Well, she told me, she said, I need something that's versatile, Lord mercy, that I can carry my cameras in and still carry my fishing gear in.
You know, the only problem with that is that when I got home with it, you filled it up with fishing gear, and now there's not room for my camera.
Sorry. We don't have a lack of lures around our shop. We love it. Me and her get out here and we have a good time. Just paint, enjoy each other's company. A lot of times we'll get out here and be a painting, and we'll start up the grill and throw some steaks on it, or lobster, or whatever's in the freezer in the house. I think today we're doing pork chops this afternoon, which is always a fun little thing for us to do.
Yes.
You're gonna love this one, Melissa. It may not make it to the take pictures, package, and put on the shelf stage of this paint. Holy my gosh.
Oh, good call, Goose. Oh my goodness, it's pretty.
Yeah, that's nice. That is very nice. Well, folks, I do paint traditional baits, baby bass, perch, bait fish, but I do crazy stuff, off the wall stuff too. She'll tell you that right quick. I'll tell you that right quick. I'm not any ashamed of what I do in my shop. I love to do it. And that dude is going to be awesome. Wait till we get a little bit of foxy on that bait here in a little bit. So we're talking about, just for fun, we were talking last night about building a color wheel. And she'll come in and spin the wheel 2, 3, 4 times, and the wheel will pick the colors, and we'll paint the bait with the colors the wheel picks. If that's something that y'all would be interested in maybe watching us do or seeing us do, leave a comment below. You know, it's got to have some fun in there somewhere. So I just throwed that on the floor.
Yes, you did.
Is it upside down or sitting up?
It's on its side.
Okay.
And it's running out.
Okay. She made me do that, folks. So didn't run out much. There wasn't much in there. Well, that's pretty cool. I was just sitting here and visiting with y'all and letting this thing dry a minute. Very nice. While that's a drying up, I think we'll mix our bright yellow. So we have visitors in the shop today. Two little puppies come running up here a while ago, and we kind of have a big heart, so we got them posted up on the Lost and Found Pets, and they're laying here in the shop under the air conditioner having them a nap.
They seem really tired, like they've been running around a lot.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, we'll get them some water, and we'll get them some feed. I know that my wife don't want them. We've already got one ugly dog. We don't need 2 more. Okay. Well, now we got that part of this paint done. We're going to skip in here to our yellow belly. Excuse me, folks. I'm sorry. I can't help that. And I even took my pills this morning.
Okay, I just gotta show them these right quick.
Okay.
Look at how cute they are. Okay.
But I won't be turning them out.
No. But I don't want to keep them either. They're gonna be big dogs.
You know, we'll have to change the name of the company to Big Ugly Dog.
No.
No? Okay, folks, when I start painting, like on the throat of a bait that's got a tape bill, I always start spraying up on my tape. And I'll put multiple coats on this. Dry between them. You can spray as many as you want, be as light as you want. That's just up to you. You're the artist, be the artist. You know. Okay, looking good there. Nice and bright yellow belly. You want to let that dry up. We will move on to our next step. I can't even talk today.
You gonna put some neon glitter on it, or you gonna leave it without?
I'm gonna let you pick that. I think it'd be gorgeous without any glitter, but I think because it's a clear belly, that it needs glitter on the clear belly. Something to give it that flash.
I think so. I think the neon green.
Okay, you got it. You are the boss. Alright, let's heat set that and then we'll... I think the sepia would take away from the eyes and the purple on the head. So I just ruled sepia out.
Okay.
So we got lots of new baits coming in. Blanks. We got some pretty cool stuff, and I even found some old school blanks that we're gonna paint. It's gonna be a fun time. Very nice. I like it, Melissa. I like it a lot.
Me too. It's a good color combination.
Yeah, I've never even painted with that eggplant before. That was my first trip at that. But I certainly like it. I gotta find what I'm looking for here, folks. Oh, look, it's right here on the table. Okay. Make sure we clean our brush good. Get her old eye box out. No. I'm going to use those eyes that Ron sent me somewhere sometime. I'm not sure if this bait needs red eyes on it. I think red eyes would look just fine, but I'm going to prowl through my eyes here. And more than likely I'll go right back to the red. Big eyes. Big red eyes. And black eyes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably go right back to my red. I like the red eyes a lot. I got all kinds of eyes. Never enough eyes. Well, yeah. I love the red eyes. Red eyes it is. It's all your fault, Melissa.
So do you like red eye?
Yes. That's my junk drawer over here. That's where I keep all kinds of stuff in there. Most of it's junk. Yep, most definitely the red eye. There you go, baby.
Dang, that's sharp.
That looks pretty nice. Don't know if y'all can see the top of that very well from up there. Melissa, come back and get it to focus on that one over there.
I'll put pictures up and after the video.
Pretty awesome. Not too bad for an old guy. I'd fish it. So 1 and 1. 1 cc of resin, 1 cc of hardener is what we're going to use on this bait. Now folks, I can't stress to you how important it is if you're doing this and using these BSI products or DevCon. Make your measurements exact, as close as you can get. You're going to find how much better everything works if you do. There we go, 1 and 1. And with a tiny bit of Melissa's choice for glitter in this bait. Get a good stir on it. You see folks how I'm going back over and back over and back over this bait. All I'm doing is making sure that there's no hairs in that come out of the brush, and I'm just smoothing that epoxy out real good before we hang it. There you go.
Wow.
Pretty nice looking bait. I like it a lot. Easy paint. So we're going to hang it up over here to dry. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Leave comments, hit that notification bell, smash that thumbs up. You folks have a very blessed week, and I'll catch you later.